Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Android SDK components. Now, what you are going to do is simply just head over here to the tab at the top, and then we will go to the Tools tab, and then you will see SDK Manager. So click on that. Okay, so you will see basically this is located here in Languages and Frameworks, and then Android SDK. Now, what you are going to select is SDK platforms. And here at the bottom below, you will see this list where you see these Android versions. And yeah, what you can do is just simply choose that one which you need. And yeah, this is pretty simple. When you select it, just click OK. Then in SDK Tools, ensure the mandatory core components are checked. So it needs to be Android SDK build tool, Android emulator, Android emulator hypervision driver, and Android SDK platform tools. Also, we can have checked Android SDK command line tools. This one is the latest version, so required if you use Flutter, React, Native, or Terminal commands. So this is pretty useful. Then whatever you need to download it, it will be simply just confirm, apply, OK. Now we will need to wait that everything installs, and then we will just confirm with OK, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.